Hello, I'm Chris Farrell, an advisor here at Performance Lexus RiverCenter, and I'm here to tell you why this is the best place to bring your Lexus.
Hi, my name is Justin Lyman, Service Manager at Lexus RiverCenter, here to talk to you about why you should service with us at Lexus RiverCenter.
We've got master certified technicians here that have been working here a long time, as well as a very competent crew behind us to take on any and all vehicle needs for your Lexus. We offer Valet Pickup, which means we'll come to your house, pick the vehicle up, bring it here, get it serviced, as well as to bring it back to you once we are done.
We've been family owned and operated for over 50 years, doing the best we can with every customer, every vehicle, every day.
My name is Hannah Wright. I'm a service technician at Lexus RiverCenter. One of the main reasons you should choose Performance Lexus RiverCenter for servicing your vehicle is because we offer a great tool called iService. So this is where I can take a video of your car after I'm finished working on it and show you what recommendations and repairs are needed for your vehicle.
We explain on the video why it's important to do those items or why they're good. All to your phone, no more calls.
Kind of brings you into the garage and allows you to look underneath your vehicle with them. Once we are done, you're able to make payment on that same link as well.
And fill out any paperwork necessary for your repairs.
The iService makes your visit super convenient.
If your vehicle is new to you and you have questions about your car, we have someone named a technology specialist who can sit with you in your new to you vehicle to go over any of the items on your vehicle you might have questions about. Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, I get it. It's all new to all of us. We have someone that can help.
And we do have loaner vehicles that we are able to put you in if time is of the essence. Bigger jobs, anything that does pop up, we've got plenty of them here to help.
We always offer the courtesy car wash after your vehicle is serviced. Every morning we cook cookies for the customers. First thing in the morning, what better way to start your day? Maybe you need a cup of coffee, we've got you covered there too. We have 2 coffee machines ready to go every morning. We offer financing for your vehicle, all through the texting mobile platform. No calls necessary.
And the next time your vehicle needs service or anything along those lines, please think of us here at Performance Lexus RiverCenter. We'd be happy to take care of you.